Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make some Wicked inspired cupcake toppers, and I'm going to start by just choosing all my images. I'm just going to make a circle background for one of the images, and I'll just resize that to 2.5 and then get another circle, so that's already 2, and I'm going to just align that to center. And select both circles and slice. I then select another circle and this one I change to 1.5. And just pop that back in the middle, align it to center, and just get rid of those 2 extra circles there. I just change the color to pink. So I need another circle, and I'm going to make that the same size as the outside circle, so 2.5, and then I change that to a light gray because that's going to be acetate. I pop that to the back. I then select everything and align them to the center and group them together. So that's that. So this image I got from Google. I just typed in ribbed circle. So I'm going to change that to 2.5 and then change that to yellow, which is going to be a marigold card. So I need one more circle just to go on top of the ribbed circle. And I just change the color to green. So I'm just going to offset alphabet to 0.6 and just change it to basic cut and the color to pink, offset again, and then I'll change it to yellow, which is going to be gold. Group everything together and then just resize it. So that will just go on top of the ribbed circle. So with this image, I'll do the same, 0.06 offset, change it to basic, change the color to the gold, offset again, and change that color to pink. group them together and just resize it. So I'll just change the resize to 2. And I'll offset again. Basic cut. Change the color to green. And then I'll offset again and change that to gold. And then just group it together. And I just resize that a little bit. So these 2 bows, I just made a resize to 2. And those bows I found also on Google. I think I just typed in wicked and it came up, wicked images, and it came up. So I'll do the same with the bows, just offset and change it to yellow. Next is the name of the celebrant. So she's called Willow, and I'll change the font to a font called Widow. So this is the font for Wicked, but it's just called Widow. You'll find it on thefont.com. Just resize that. And what I do with this, I have to ungroup it because I want to offset 3 letters at a time. So first I'll offset the W, the I and the L 0.6, and I'm going to change the background of the first part of the name to green. And then I offset the last part of the name and just change the offset to pink. So I select everything and offset again and change the background to yellow. And then I'll just group them together. So next we have the age. So I changed the font to a font called LT Cushion. That is also on thefont.com because the Wicked font didn't have numbers. It just changes into this sort of image once you try to get numbers. So she's 9. Change the number 9 to a green color and then offset to 0.6, but I made a mistake. There we go, 0.6, and change that to gold. Offset again. And we'll change that to pink. So just group that together. So I'm just going to arrange all the images, names and number. And I'll just group that. So we've come to the end of the video. Here's the finished product. I added a few little gems just to make it a bit cute. And just please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.